Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. In this one today, I'm going to teach you exactly how you can triple the amount of clients you're closing using the SMMA sales pyramid. So just before we jump into that, if you are new around here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. Join the family, join the community, and make sure you don't miss another upload. And just a quick announcement, I mentioned this in my last couple of videos, but the price of my Social Media Academy program is actually going to be increasing the end of next month. So if you're on the edge, you haven't enrolled yet, but you want to learn and build your own social media marketing agency from scratch, leveraging freelance websites, take a look down below at the sales page. You can see all the bonuses that you're gonna get. You're gonna see everything that's included, all of the course curriculum, all of the additional resources you're gonna get, as well as the audio lessons and PDFs. So if you're interested in that, take a look down below before the price goes up at the end of next month. But without further ado, let's jump into it. So what I'm going to teach you today is so extremely powerful, and the funny thing is most people don't do this, and this is something I started implementing into my business about 12 months ago, 18 months ago, and it drastically increased the amount of clients that I landed, the amount of new business I was able to get. And that's by leveraging what I call the SMMA sales pyramid. Now most people, they treat their sales process as a grid, okay? They reach out to everybody and they treat everybody equal. It's just a level playing field, okay? Whether that's reaching out to new leads, whether that's someone who's agreed a price but isn't paying, whether that's somebody who you've had a phone call but they've gone quiet. Most people, they just treat them all equally. And what they'll do is they'll just start doing more outreach. But that's not necessarily the best way to approach it. Instead, whenever you're doing your sales and whenever you're reaching out and you're again in sales mode, you want to treat it like a pyramid, okay? You want to start at the top and work your way down. And at the top is your most important leads, your warmest leads. So let's say you've had some sales calls with people, you've agreed on price, you're just waiting for them to sign the contract. When you're sitting down to be in sales mode, the first person you should contact is the person at the top of that pyramid, the person who is closest to converting. Reach out to them, follow them up. Then down from that, maybe you've had somebody who's had a call, you're in the negotiation phase, right? You haven't agreed upon a price yet, but you need to maybe set up another call just to discuss price and then get everything onboarded. That should be the second and third person that you reach out to, people that are in the negotiation phase, okay? So they're slightly further down the pyramid, but they're still a lot more important than colder leads, okay? Because if you just keep reaching out to cold leads every single day and not tapping into the low-hanging fruit that is at the top of that pyramid, again, you're leaving money on the table. A step down from that. So let's say, at the top, you've got people who you've agreed upon price and everything. They've agreed to work with you. You're just waiting for them to make the payment and sign the contract. They're people right at the top of the pyramid. Just down from that is people that you've had a call with, they're really interested in your services, but you're in the negotiation phase. You need to agree on a price and obviously get them to sign and pay the contract, okay? So you haven't got necessarily a firm yes yet because they don't know the price, and you need another call in order to do that, okay? But again, that's the second down on the list. Third down on the list could be people who have shown a real interest in having a call with you, but you haven't managed to get them on a call yet. So maybe you agreed upon a call, but they stood you up, so you need to set up another one. Or maybe it's somebody who has messaged you showing real interest and has reached and replied to you, but you haven't set up that initial meeting yet. You haven't set up that discovery call. You should be reaching out to that person and setting up that discovery call, and just slowly and continue to work yourself down to that pyramid where at the bottom is actually new outreach and new leads. Because this follow-up at the top is by far the most important, and it also takes the least amount of time, but it's where your low-hanging fruit is. It's where you're going to get the most conversions. So what I really want you to take away from this video today is don't treat your sales process as a level playing field. Don't go in it with no strategy and just sit there and think, okay, let's reach out to new businesses, and now I'll do this, now I'll follow up with this person, now I'll do that. No, you don't want to do that. You want to start by reaching out with the most important leads at the top of that triangle. So to just drive the point home, you want to stop treating your sales process as a grid. All of your leads, all of your prospects are not equal. Some have more value than others. Again, there's another way to look at this as well. Let's say you've got a level playing field, okay? You've got 30 prospects, but you know 10 of them are probably a lot bigger, they're worth a lot more to you. Start with them. Treat it as a pyramid. Start at the top, the most valuable, the people who are closest to converting, start at the top and work yourself down and stop treating it as a level playing field. And one of the easiest ways that you can do this and keep track of where people are in your pipeline is to just simply use a CRM. Now there's millions of CRMs out there. You can use Pipedrive. You could even just simply use Excel if you wanted to. You could use Trello. It doesn't matter, but keep track of your leads and keep track of where they are along your pipeline, so it makes it easier for you to work on your most important leads first and focus on closing those deals. So I hope this helped you. This should definitely help you at least double or triple your sales if you start focusing on that and make, again, you get the most for your time. You become more efficient, more productive because of that, and your business will just simply grow more. Again, if you're not subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and join the Social Media Marketing Academy program that is linked down below. Check out the sales page. I'd love to get you enrolled in the community, in the family. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.